Hi learners, welcome to Unified Study. Good afternoon. Welcome Udari Srivardhan, Sri Shashri. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, so we are here today to discuss our PS set questions. So those who are preparing for net exam also, it will be kind of a practice, and for set those who have written their set exam for them, this will be kind of which question we can challenge, we can know by these things. Okay, right, we will see now. It's joined. Is the screen visible? Yes, right. So let me start from the question number 1. We just get into the things directly. So the first question is on, according to my question paper, the learning style is associated with understanding information through patterns and relationships. Yeah, you want me to zoom or it is clear? You want me to zoom or it is clear? You want me to zoom? Is it visible? Yes, visible. Yes, okay. So see the whenever the learning style we have a that VARK learning style, visual, auditory, right, reading and kinesthetic learning styles. So in that one, pattern and relationship will be belongs to the logical and analytical learners. Visual means through eyes, auditory means through ears. So this is through ears. So this is through eyes. This is through ears and this is through touch. Yes, so they have given the kinesthetic as the right answer, but the option will be logical. The answer will be logical. Yes. Now visible? Yes. So this question can be challenged. Okay, the logical analytical learner will be connecting things by means of patterns, connections, and they will be creating the relationships. Okay, so first question, this question I have a doubt. So those who wish to challenge, this can be challenged. And next question, in traditional lecture based classroom, who primarily controls the flow of information? Who primarily controls the flow of information? uh, they have given educational technology as a answer, but I doubt. It may be teacher also. It may be teacher also. Okay, who controls the flow of information? As is a lecture based method, the teacher will be giving the content, right? So he or she can give through blackboard, chalk and talk, or oral kind of a thing can be given. There, I don't know, the control of flow of information can be controlled by the teacher, but they are given education technology as the answer. So this question is being a doubt for me. Okay. Yes, it is visible to all. Is the screen visible? Yes. Yes. If you have any objection, you can also put it in the chat box so we all know. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can also put it in the chat box. Yes. And how do support materials contribute to the effective teaching? This I feel it's right. Is this feel like it's right? How do support materials means what? The materials that we provide for doing the teaching effective. So we teach class, we'll be giving PDFs, we'll be giving notes, we'll be giving the handwritten notes, we'll be given the digital printouts, right? Digital handouts will be given. And how do that supportive materials contribute to effective teaching is this will be facilitating the varied learning experience. So while learning through digital, I'll be getting an experience. Learning through handouts, I'll be getting some experience. Learning through infographic, I'll be getting some experience. So what do you mean by the supporting materials? Is supporting materials like the PDF materials that we collect, the handwritten notes that we get, or it can be any kind of a digital form of the digital form of outputs can be there. All these things we call it as what a learner, which will gives me different learning experience. So this question is not problem. This is right. And the term elective course, this comes under teaching aptitude. So what do you mean by the elective course? We have that AECC, we have elective courses, right? Major discipline specific elective. We have a skill enhancement course, right? These are the different types of courses which comes under that CBCS. Right? Under CBCS, we have the different types of course, and we have generic elective, discipline specific elective, ability enhancement course, skill enhancement course. All these things comes under CBCS, right? Here they have asked about this elective course. So what is the elective course? It's not mandatory for all. It is chosen by the students based on their preferences. There is no problem with this question. Yes. Which of the following, this question I have a doubt, is an example of ICT based learning tool. They have given printed textbook. Why not they given the education software and tablet is being a question. This is an ICT based question, right? So this was a doubt for me. Why they have not given, why they have given the printed textbook as a ICT based in learning tool. This may not come. The right answer may be this educational software. Yes. So learners, those who have written your TS set, please kindly do respond so that we will discuss more. And this question from research, why is replicable is an important feature of research? Replicable means what? Doing it again, repeating the things, right? That is replicable. But they have given it ensures the research findings are applicable only to specific areas, specific cases. It allows researchers to repeat the study to verify the results. When I replicate, right, again, which will be giving me the same results, then that we called as a replica, right? So here also I have a doubt with this question in research. Why is replicable an important feature of research? This question I have a doubt. Okay, yes. The next question, post-positivist researchers are more likely to. Post-positivist research means what? There are two types of researches. One is positive, another one is post-positivist researches. So the positive researchers focus on the quantitative type of method of research, right? we have two types, right? Positivism, post-positivism. So this post-positivism will focus on the qualitative method of research. Qualitative method of research. If it is a qualitative method of research, it also focuses solely on subjective experience will also come. Subjective experience means what that learner expects, right? The subjective experience will also taken into account. Why they have not taken this, I don't know. It acknowledge their own bias and limitations in research. But why not this is my question. Why not this my question? Because there may be some students who have selected this option also. So this also has the priority to be chosen for positivist research. Yes, right. And this APA also I have a doubt. APA referencing tell is primarily used in social sciences. Primarily used in social sciences, psychology kind of things, right? Lakshmi Rana, you belong to Telangana? You have written your Telangana exam? Lakshmi Rana. How many of you in this chat are now have written your TS set? How many of you have written your TS set here in this group? We will discuss that. So see that in the research we have a referencing tell total 8 questions. Oh yes. So APA is what is American Psychological Association, and they provide us with a referencing style to format our references, right, in our thesis. Very good. In our thesis we have kind of a references. So in that APA is a referencing style where that will be used in social sciences like psychology, arts and all, right. Social science disciplines, they'll be using this format. We have another format called MLA. So this MLA format is mainly meant for science streams and all, right. So is this APA is meant for social science? This is not for engineering stream. Ma'am, please tell me computer science. Computer science, ma'am will be doing it today. Taruni, ma'am will be doing it. And how ICT assists in literature? That is right. By offering access to online database and academic journal, that is no problem with this question. That is right. Appendix, this question is also right, no problem. To provide an additional details that support the main text. This is also right. Yes? Okay. Okay, next one. I'll just going with what questions are wrong here. Okay. For me, reading comprehension, there is no problem. All are right. For my knowledge, there is no problem with reading comprehension. There is a dash inside a boundary wall of a castle. Inside a boundary wall of castle, whenever we read, right, what we have to do, we have to go to that word, where that word is there. There is a dash inside the boundary wall of a castle. Inside a boundary wall. So when we just go into it, right, the accommodation being drilled, loitering about, and as the hill still ascends, right, it still ascends means it just going on, ascends within the wall of the castle. The wall of the castle, we climbed to a summit. So ascends means what? From down to top, right? Ascends means what? Ascending order. Ascending order means from here to here, right? This is ascends. So it still ascends means what is this going up? Is a steep hill inside the boundary wall of the castle. So no problem with this one. And there is a dash intimidating from over the lofty bulwark. The cannon is there, no problem. And with the old chapel is situated on the summit, as they have given, right, they were ascending top, they'll be reaching the at the summit at the top, right. So this also right. And the author appreciates this in the last line of that passage. In the last line of the passage, he has been appreciating the architectural design of the chapel. This is also right. And the author visits the castle as a tourist. Here they have not mentioned, I have to show you this one. They have not mentioned the term tourist. If you look at that question, you will understand. See, The castle of Edinburgh is free to the entrance of any peaceable person. Actually, this peaceable person is nothing but their meaning as tourist. Okay, as tourist who are not disturbs anyone, right? And though they will be called as what they will be called as a peaceable person. So when you are doing our RC and all, we have to be good with our vocabulary, and that is this thing, right? Peaceable person is nothing but that tourist. The option they are given as tourist, archaeologist, soldier, and all. And here it comes as the peaceable is the answer. Okay. Umarani, what is that 41 and 42, Umarani? I can't get you. 41 and 42? Which one you are telling? If you type the question or tell me the question type means I'll be easy for me. So with RC, I don't find any mistake. Next, move to communication. In communication, first one is also right. Being empathetic. Empathetic means what? Understanding other people, right? When we understand only, we will not do mistakes. So we'll be helping in resolving the conflicts and misunderstanding in communication. Empathetic means to understand the people. Tell me that question. What question? Because I have one different order, you have one different order, right? Tell me that question 41. Or it is same order. Umarani, is it same order means okay. And this is also right. Providing clear instruction and guidance for activities in a classroom is a strategy for procedural communication. I'll be telling what after what we have to do in a very clear way, and that's called procedural communication. There is no mistake in this one. And this is very good question actually. Being dash is a key to establish a genuine relationship with a person who linguistic and cultural background are different. You may tell that is self-respectful, some may tell it is self-respectful, but the answer for this question is open-minded. What do you mean by open-minded is whenever we are open-minded, we will not be judgmental, we will not be judgmental, we will not have any kind of prejudice. We don't have any kind of prejudices there. We don't have. Only when you are like that only we will be able to understand other people. So the answer open-minded will be there. Okay, Umarani, we will do it. So that's no problem with this question. And this is also no problem. Excellent decision making skills a person needs to have. So if I want to take a good decision making skill, I need to have a good emotional skills. And radio and television are the examples of electronic media. Yes, this is also right. And this question also, this is right. 8, 4, 4, 16, 12, 30, 90 is right. For those who have not known how to do it, I'll just redo it. Those are preparing, see the difference between, right? That is every number is being moved by 0.5 difference. By 0.5 difference. That is equal to 4. So 4 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2, sorry, not 3 by 2, it's 2. It's 2, it's 2. This is 1 by 1.5, it's 1, this is 4, and 4 into 3 by 2. What do you mean 3 by 2 is 1.5, right? So that is equal to 6, and 6 into 2, that is equal to 12, and then 12 into 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2, that gives me 30, and 30 into 3, that is equal to 90. Yes. So there is no mistake with this problem also. This also. Yes, clear? No problem. And with this one also there is no problem. This is the easy way to do it, right? No problem with this. This one also no problem. Frame. Yes. It's very easy actually. And this problem is also easy. Just a simple formula. Investor time is equal to invested second investor and time. Here the investor time is 1 lakh into the time of that first person is what? For 1 year he have done, so it is 12. And for the second person it is 1,50,000 and he has been invested for 9 months. How 9 months means after 3 months only he have been entered into that one. So 12 lakhs That is equal to, when I multiply this one, this gives me 13,50,000. Okay. So when I cancel it out, I'll be getting 24:27 as the ratio. And what they have given is, after 1 year of period, they have got 51,000 profit. So we have to find out what is the profit of Shiba. So 51,000 into 24 divided by 51. When I add, I'll be getting 51. 24 is Shiva's share. 27 is Pradeep's share. So 1,000. When I multiply, I'll be getting 24,000. Okay, so this also right, no problem. This is also using that SP formula. This we done in our mathematical reasoning class last week. We did this problem in this kind of problem. We did it in the last week class. Okay, learners who are preparing for your NET exam, you can try to solve these problems. Right, we have that PDF in the WhatsApp group. You can get it from the group in a very simple problem. Right, they have given the SP, they have given the loss percentage, and they have given the person what will be the gain we attain. What will be the gain we attain if it has been sold out for rupees 20,000? Right, we have to find out the cost price. We have to find out the cost price, and then we can simply find out. Very easy and simple problem. Direct problem is it. It's all direct problems. Okay. Yes. And this also no problem. No village is a city. All cities are states. No village is a city. Village is a city. All cities are states. So all cities are states. Or states. So they what they are telling, some villages or city. There is no connection between village and city, so one will not come. Some cities or states that will come because it is there inside. So definitely some cities or states will definitely come. Any clarification so far? Any clarification so far? Yes. Any doubts so far? Yeah, we have to use the formula, that probability formula, right? Probability of uh, the max or signs is equal to probability of max plus probability of signs minus probability of max intersection signs. I think using this formula we'll be able to get the right answer. Yes, right? Yes. I hope with this no yes. They asked only signs. Okay, they have asked only signs they have asked. So we have to simply subtract, right? So max is 60 and here it is 50 is signs. So max and this is signs. And here this is a common area where they opted both. Very simple, no need of formula and all, just minus 50 minus 20. That is equal to 30. That's all. Okay, no need to do too much. Just to subtract that one, we'll be getting easy. Yes. All want that 41, 43 question. Yeah, we do. This is all right. Logical reasoning and all, it's right. It's all right. Both are right. Nobody's no wrong with this problem. 41 you want me to go, I'll go. Here also I don't find any problem, any wrong answers with this one. 36 is for solid state drive. Yes. Unsolidated is spam. Robotic C yantra, very easy. Firewalls used to attack against unauthorized attacks. Yes, right. Uniform resource locator, right. It's reversible and flexible. Yes, this one, right. This question, right. Sustaining systems. This comes from sustainable development. Designing a self-sustaining system is a viable path towards a long-term progress. Long-term progress. They have given us reversible and flexible. Yes. Yes. Promising direction towards design systems that are better. This is right. No wrong with this question. This is right. Reversible and flexible is right. No wrong with this question. Learners, there is no wrong with the 41st question. That is right. Yes, no wrong with this question. This is right. I have checked. This question is right. Designing self-sustaining. This is a question from Sustainable Development Goal. This is a question from Sustainable Development Goal. This is right. No wrong with this question. We'll move to the next question. Which of the following is responsible for turning Taj Mahal yellow? Yes, it is sulfur dioxide. Huh? Wait. Yes, that is because of sulfur dioxide only. This is also right. No problem with this question. 42 is also right. Yes, 42 is also right. No problem with this question. No problem with this question. Wind energy is considered a conventional source of energy. You can rotate a windmill, it can lift in lifting water as it is readily available and used for a long time. It is produced due to uneven heating of the earth. Uh, See, what we mean by conventional energy is conventional source of energies are energies which we get through wind. Conventional source of energies are right, which are those who are preparing for a NET exam, please kindly do listen. The energy which we generate through wind, hydropower, nuclear, and whatever things, right? Right? The conventional sources of energy, like a coal. 1 minute. 1 minute. Here also, the mistake seems to be. Only with that teaching and research, there are so many mistakes here. The conventional source of energy, when we say coal, petroleum, yes, electricity, and when we go for that firewood and all, right, firewood, hydropower, nuclear, all comes under the conventional source of energy. The non-conventional source of energy comes under non-conventional comes under the wind energy, solar, tidal, okay, tidal energy, geothermal, and all these things comes under this non-conventional source of energy. Yes. But it's something strange with this question. Actually, it is non-conventional source of energy. How they have given conventional, I don't know. Wind energy is a non-conventional source of energy is the first point. And if they say it's non-conventional, then why, if they have been asked us, they will not do pollution. They will not do pollution. So that is why we can say it is a non-conventional. This can also be claimed. Why? Because this is not a conventional source. It's a non-conventional source of energy. Yes. Those who are doing, you can check this question. Yes, you can check with this question. This is not a, this is a wind energy is a non-conventional source of energy. Yes, okay. Next. So this question can also be checked out. 43. Question number 43 can be checked. Taruni, 43 can be checked. Okay, the question itself is a problem. No problem with these questions and all. It's 1986, right? First open university, Ambedkar University, Andhra Pradesh, it's there. That's right. Academic Bank of Credits, right? And purpose of education is to conserve for human values, right? And value education is through mentoring and reflective. This is a PYQ question. This is a PYQ question. This is a PYQ question. And next comes your Samvai. Yes, Samvai. Samvai is a scheme where skill assessment matrix for vocational advancement of youth. This is wrong. That too right, wrong. It's also wrong. Uh, skill assessment matrix for vocational advancement of youth. This is the right question. I think there is no option given here. This is wrong. Skill assessment accreditation matrix wrong. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. That 43 question and this 50 question can be changed here. Yes, clear? There are so many questions you can challenge. Yes, so many questions are there. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes. So the questions from my knowledge, you can challenge is question number 50. Question number 50. Question number 43. Question number 43 can also be challenged. It's wrong. Question itself is wrong. 41, 42 and all right, no problem. 40 is right. This is all right. All ICT questions are right. No wrong with ICT question. Solid state drive, this is right. They also had not felt anything wrong. Everything is right. Logical reasoning also it's easy. Reasoning is easy. And this is also right. It's all right. MR and all right. No problem. The main problem is that the last two questions, and here in teaching and research we have problem. In teaching and research here reading comprehension no problem. Huh. 3. Eighth question can be challenged. And this I have a doubt. The seventh question I have a doubt. So 50, 43, here 8, 7, and the sixth question, this question, and this question can be also challenged, but and the first question. So these are all the questions that we can challenge. 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that 43 and that 50 question. Yes. Open University is Ambedkar University. Open University is in 1982. It's 1982. Yes. That is Dr. Ambedkar Open University. Actually, that is in Andhra Pradesh. That's why they have given Ambedkar Open University or Andhra Pradesh, Andhra University they have given, I think so. But it's actually Ambedkar University. Yes. Ambedkar University, it is also known as Telangana Open University, or it is also known as Andhra Pradesh Open University. It's right actually. No wrong with that question. Daruni, Umarani, the question is right. No problem. Open University is Dr. Ambedkar University. It is also called as Telangana Open University. Earlier it was being called as Andhra Pradesh Open University. Yes, yes, India is in India. Ambedkar Open University is the oldest. It is in the year 1982. In the year 1982. Yes, for sure. Oh, ma'am. One time it was being asked in a net exam also. Ambedkar Open University. Wait, wait. Hold. No worries, no worries. Can you see the image? Can you see this page? Nalanda University, it is not, it's an international university. Earlier before Ambedkar University is there. See, Indira Gandhi Open University 1985. They are 1985. See here. Okay. Yes. Okay, Umarani. Umarani, okay. DI last question. 1 minute. We'll check. This open university question has been once asked in net exam also. 2022 hope so. Yes. But we have so many questions to be challenged there. So we can go with those things. DI last question. I'll go, Safuddin. I'll go. Those who are preparing for net, this question paper will be very easy, right? Yes. DI last question. Okay. Which one, Safidin? That question is not here. Which question you are telling? Okay. This DA I will check and let you know. This DAs I'll check and let you know. But other than this DA, we have question number 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 43 and 50. Yes, am I right? Yes, am I right? 1, 2, 7 is there, 6 is also there. Yes. 1 is there, 2 is there. So to my knowledge, we have this number of questions is there to challenge. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 43 and 50. Dharani ma'am will do it today. Don't worry. Safuddin, I will let you know these DIs. Don't worry. Okay? Yes. Question number 35. 1 minute. 35, 32, 32, 33, 34. You can note down those questions and you can get the, you can make a challenge on those questions. That conventional energy, that can definitely be done. The question itself is as a mistake. Conventional energy, we have many resources can be taken that we can do. ICT based also we can create things. Definitely we can do. The number of students who failed in mathematics in terms of this question, is this question? Okay. The number of students. 34. 34. They have given the pie chart. Following pie charts of the board exam, total number of students appear is 77,000. Okay. And 60, 2, 3, 18, 12, 5. Percent distribution of marks. Color failed. Failed in exams. Mathematics. They asked for 34th question. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll solve the DIs and I'll let you know in this what's in this channel itself. Okay. In this channel itself, I'll let you know the numbers of the question numbers. Okay. Yes. The rest I have given you with respect to the theory based questions. You can go for the challenge with respect to those theory questions. Ma'am will be taking you class of paper 2 by meantime. By today she'll be taking you the class of this. Okay. Yes. I'll check this DI and I'll let you know in the chat. Don't worry. Okay, I'll let you know about these DIs in the chat box itself. In the comment section, I'll be posting the question number and the answers. You can check so that we can go. Okay. And in WhatsApp group also, I'll solve the problem and I'll send you. Clear? Yes. So with this, I would like to end the session. To those who are preparing for your NET exam, you can just download this question paper and you can try to solve this question paper. So this set to be very easy when we are preparing for a NET examination. Hope clear, right? Very easy, and also like a practice for us to know how we are prepared ourselves, right? So that we can check ourselves what state we are in. Okay. Thank you so much, learners, for joining. I'll be posting you the DA answers in the comment section by meantime. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. All the best for those who have got a good score. Hope we'll be getting a good results. Yes. Thank you. Ma'am, how can we find? See, DA and all, we have to solve and we have to send. And for conventional resources and all, we can get it from the standard books, conventional resources, because that will be easy. And for ICT based tools also, we have to go with where they have to mention the reference, who have written the book, and it's an authorized book or not, everything that we have to check. So if I possible, I will check and let me know about those standard books, okay, so that we can challenge. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Again, I'm telling you, those who are preparing for your NET exam, please kindly download the question paper and try to solve it, which will be most useful for you to give your practice. Thank you so much. Meet you soon. Tata, bye.